So now, what do we got here? It's a couch. It's just that you need to wait for a little while. Excuse me? How a silly old couch will fix her hiccups? You just need to wait for a little while. Then they'll go away. Right, Rosie? Yeah. I'm is I can't stop hiccuping. It's all because of Journey's Germany fault. No, I just want to do a little scare. Yeah, but you just give me these cups. Yeah, but since this is too boring, I just did that in the play date. No, it was no accident. No, I didn't. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was, Jeremy. No, it isn't, Rosie. I am not making this problem. Come on, you two, and stop arguing. We all know Germany make this problem, but doesn't mean you two need to fight. Isn't that right? Yep. You need to stop that fighting and see how she got those hiccups. That is a plus. That isn't a hiccup poison too. If it's not a hiccup poison, then what is it? Maybe it's... Well, it can be a hiccup poison. No. It wasn't. Same as you two. Don't fight. Argue. This is just a teensy-weensy problem. They got another idea, but earlier, Journey and Rosie was just Journey and Rosie was just the only one with Lily. Okay, so now, what is this? Take a glass of water. It'll make the hiccups go away. It's gonna go away. What I drink the glass of water. Yeah, but you need to cover your mouth and just drink it. Okay. That will never go away. That was... Why it's hot water? Hot water fixed. You need to use hot water to let them go away. So I use hot water to let it go away. Yeah, can it be warm or cold except for hot? Excuse me, why are you close to Rosie, Germany? That's because I'm gonna scare her. Scare me again? Like you did in the play date? Fine. It was the same. also makes the hiccups go away when you scare somebody. Jeremy, that will be even worse. That's the worst problem. Try making me and the hiccups loud. I hope this works. 3, 2, 1, boo! I think it works. Rosie, open your mouth. Maybe it worked. Try. Whoa, that didn't work. It just became louder. What? But okay, no, I think Franco is right. She do got a hiccup poison. When they're back, we're back. And sorry, Franco. Sorry, I think you were lying. It was a hiccup poison. And it was actually a hiccup poison. No, actually, you were telling the hiccup poison was actually wrong. It was just in 5,000 years ago. That wasn't now. Oh, silly me.